Now that we've completed the app, this would be a good time to do some housekeeping in App Inventor. One thing you might want to do is delete some of your checkpoints or all of your checkpoints. You won't be needing them anymore. And maybe even some of the previous versions like Hello version 1, Hello version 2. I've already done my housekeeping, so I'm going to skip that for now. I do want to show you how to build the app. So I'm going to select version 3. One thing I'm going to do is rename it now that it's finished, and I'm going to just name it Hello World. And one thing you'd probably want to do before you package the app is give it its own icon. But if you select screen 1 and you select the icon field here, then you can upload your own resource file to serve as the icon that will appear on your device once you've loaded the package onto it. So I'm going to leave that as an exercise also. So there are two ways to package your app, both under the Build menu. The first way will generate a QR code and display it, and then you can scan it. That'll automatically download the APK file onto your device. There we go. Now you can scan this with the MIT App Inventor Companion, and it will download the APK file and install it on your device. However, as you see here, this isn't a permanent barcode. You can only use this barcode for 2 hours, so you can't really share the barcode with your friends, but the APK file will persist forever on your device or until you replace it. The other way is to save the APK file to your computer and then email it to others. I'm going to go with that option. So as you see, when you select that option, App Inventor starts building the app. This will take a little bit of time. And then you'll see it download to your computer. There you go. You see it downloaded helloworld.apk to your computer. Once you've downloaded it to your computer, you can then load it onto your device. You can also load it onto the emulator, as I'll show here. So I've opened my downloads folder, and I can just drag that and drop it onto the emulator, and it will load the app on there. There it is, in such a way that the app is in the device's finder. So where is it? There it is, Hello World. Okay, so I've loaded it on there. In terms of getting it onto your device, your mobile phone or your tablet, you can simply email it to yourself. So you see here I'm composing an email. I'm going to attach it. I find it in my downloads folder. I attach it to the email. Then I would send that email to myself or my friends, open the email on my mobile device, and download the app to the mobile device. And then it will be installed in the device's launcher. Okay, so that's the way you can package your app, compile your app into an APK file, and share it with your own mobile devices or with your friends. One final point about running and downloading and installing our apps on your devices, this doesn't apply to the emulator, is that you have to set the device so that it will accept apps that are not downloaded from the Play Store. So you want to go to your settings, and then you want to go to security, and you'll scroll down until you find a setting for unknown sources, and you'll want to turn that on. That will allow you to install App Inventor apps on your devices. Otherwise, if you don't have that turned on, your device's security settings will prevent you from installing it on your device. Okay?